Can't see anything as usual. Starting this vlog off with man, I'm not even awake. Can't even remember how to start my car. Starting off the vlog with go get some errands and get some parts for the 240 for the day. Get some progress done. Catch you guys in a minute. When you get stuff to start your video for the day and you get plugs for your old lady, it's not even gonna show, is it? And her plugs are almost $60 compared to like the 11 bucks I spent on stuff. I don't even know what to say. She better be very happy. Thank God for things like tools, hammer, toe plates, you know, junk like that. Crescent wrench, usual, just to get a alignment done. They didn't want to touch it because it had so much camber and stuff yesterday, so did it myself. Ran and got some errands done this morning. You'll notice only 2 wheels are in here now. Bunch of stuff's outside. I'll go ahead and actually this will come with me. Woo! A little bit sour. I don't know why. When's full throttle ever been sour? Well, we're gonna do stuff out front today. One of those, let's make this thing less junky. A adult Legos version of fun. Let's jump on it. As you guys have seen, spark plugs, bumper, body kit. We have brakes. We're gonna jump into that. I'll time lapse it on the other side, but you guys have to see this first one I pulled off. See if the camera will focus. Come on. Yeah. That pad has seen a better day. So hoping that is the cause of the hydro not working. You guys can see just metallics, some cheap shitty. I think they were 14 bucks. O'Reilly's, pretty rad. Throw those in. We have the BCs. We have, they're weird, they're like hardware arms or something is what they say. And then obviously the drop knuckles from PPM. Shout out to them. I want to get some real fingers in the back at some point. Take care of the bushings and that. But the rusty old girl is ready for that. So we're gonna do this. Get the GoPro in the car and take it in brake bed. And then surprise you guys. We got brake pads in it, we got plugs in it, we're pretty set there. I was laughing at, I was watching It's Sunny's channel, and with my solid steel motor mounts, my mirrors don't vibrate that bad. I keep forgetting to buy myself a rear view so I can put my Broadway on. So yeah, I gotta do that in the next day or so. I need a quart of oil anyway, so I might as well get that. And I'm thinking soon, some Street Faction door panels. Warm this thing up and let's go bed these brakes in, boys. Oh boy. 240 in the background, Envoy chilling with the wife and the kids. But I gotta show you guys this. So, the obvious marks. This thing was just putting down smoke. I loved it. I'm hoping the inside and the outside clips that I got look good. But, you know, for 5 years of not really drifting, that's one of the most controllable cars I've ever been in. And I'm thinking it shows right here. Check these lines over crossing. I mean, they're not perfect. But at one point, they were pretty close to lining up solid, and then they veered off. But, oh, the sun's gonna kill you guys over here. Now let's head home, get all these rigs back, get the family home, and have some dinner. With that, we're gonna leave you guys here. Probably start on this fiberglass episode I wanna do, and yeah, catch you guys next time. Average Joe channel, out.